Ever wondered how to highlight moving subject in your video, like in those documentaries where there's helicopter chases going on and car is speeding by and the car is highlighted to draw your attention to that specific point in the video? In today's one, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way how to do that in DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump in and get started. So we're inside DaVinci Resolve, and what I want to do is I want to highlight this drone that is flying by. So for that, go to the color tab, switch to the window, and you can basically pick any shape that you want, but I want to draw it myself, so I'm gonna go with pen tool. Now what we need to do is to zoom in on a drone itself, and let's just draw a mask around the drone. Something like this should do the trick. I'm not going to go too accurate with this mask for the sake of this tutorial. So something like this should do the trick. Now what we need to do is we need to invert the mask itself. And after we need to track it to stick it to the drone basically. Let's just zoom back and go to the tracker and click track forwards and backwards. And let's wait till DaVinci do its magic with mask. And after we have it tracked out, so we can go and refine our mask. For that, go to the window again, and you can see there is this softness parameter, so you can play with it, see what you're liking. And after, to highlight the drone, go and lower the gain like so. And now if we're going to go to the cut page, you can see the mask is perfectly tracked and our subject is highlighted. And basically this is it for this tutorial. And if you want to know how to place the text behind your subject in DaVinci Resolve, you should watch this video next.